Measles activity is rising in Virginia and nationally and globally as well.
Measles is a virus that breathes fear into the air. It's one of the most infectious diseases in human history, and it can cause serious complications.
And measles is so contagious when it gets in a population, it can spread really quickly to anyone who is not immune.
But measles can be easily prevented by a vaccine.
The MMR vaccine, measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine, is the best protection you have against getting measles. Hands down.
The first vaccine to treat measles was developed in the 1960s, but the current version used today arrived in 1971.
Back in the early 1900s, out of 5 children did not live to their 5th birthday.
According to the CDC, the virus steadily declined as vaccine use increased, with measles being completely eliminated from the U.S. in 2000.
Keeping that herd immunity, that community immunity, keeps everybody protected.
But vaccine fatigue has led to a resurgence of measles cases.
Vaccines are often the enemy of their own success. They work so well that we aren't seeing those diseases anymore. But oftentimes people forget that except for smallpox, none of these diseases have been eradicated.
So far this year, the CDC is reporting more than 2,200 cases of measles across the U.S. 177 of those cases are here in Virginia, as the Virginia Department of Health looks to contain an outbreak in Buckingham and Cumberland counties.
Measles can linger in the air for up to 2 hours after somebody who's infectious is in a room.
This is why VDH is advising folks to check your vaccine records. However, if you're not able to look up your vaccine records and you're unsure of your vaccination status for measles, health officials say it's safe to get another dose.
It does not hurt for additional vaccination if you are not certain with a disease that is as contagious and deadly as measles.
And that was WFXR's Nick Noliff reporting. Now, Nick tells us health officials advise anyone over the age of 12 months to get the measles vaccine. However, in areas where the virus is at high risk, health officials have approved a first dose of the vaccine for 6 months and older. And for our viewers in Southside, the Southside Health District has an upcoming measles vaccine clinic later this month. That information for that clinic can be found on our website, WFXRTV.com.